Solve linear equations with fractions. Substitution method. Problem. Solve the following system of equations using substitution. Y equals 2 over 3x minus 1 over 4. X plus y equals 6. Step 1. Write the system. We have two equations. Equation 1. The first equation contains fractions. And equation 2. X plus y equals 6. Step 2. Identify denominators and LCM. List common multiple. This is equation 1. The denominators are 3 and 4. The LCM is 12. Step 3. Multiply the entire first equation by 12. Since the LCM is 12, we multiply both sides of equation 1 by 12 to eliminate the fractions. When we simplify, we get 12y equals 8x minus 3. Step 4. Make x the subject. Now we isolate x. After rearranging the equation, we get 8x equals 12y plus 3. So x equals 12y plus 3 divided by 8. Step 5. Substitute into the second equation. This is equation 2. X plus y equals 6. And this is the isolated x from equation 1. Substitute x into equation 2. 12y plus 3 divided by 8 plus y equals 6. Now clear the fraction by multiplying everything by 8. 12y plus 3 plus 8y equals 48. Step 6. Solve for y. Combine like terms. 20y plus 3 equals 48. Subtract 3. 20y equals 45. So y equals 45 over 20 equals 9 over 4. Step 7. Solve for x. This is the isolated x from equation 1. X equals 12y plus 3 divided by 8. Substitute y equals 9 over 4. After further simplification, x equals 30 over 8 equals 15 over 4. Final answer. Solution to the system. X equals 15 over 4. Y equals 9 over 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.